Good morning, students. Today we have a new chapter, pressure in fluids and atmospheric pressure. It's a chapter 4. So my first point, thrust. What is a thrust? Force acting perpendicular, or you can say force acting normally is known as thrust. For example, I have taken a ball. Now force acting perpendicular. When force acting perpendicular, this perpendicular force is known as thrust. If I am putting the force from any side like this, this is not considered thrust. So force perpendicular is considered as a thrust. So let's make a 90-degree angle with the surface. Thrust equal to weight equal to mg. Thrust is a vector quantity because it's a directions downward. SI unit, since it is a special, you can say it is a special type of force, so it's also unit Newton. And CGS unit dyne. Now pressure. Thrust per unit area. When thrust works on the area, it is known as pressure. So thrust by area. You can also write pressure equal to force by area. Because thrust is as one type of force. So P equal to FIA. SI unit, what is SI unit of pressure? Force Newton area meter square. Newton per meter square is known as Pascal. In symbol, we write capital P small a. In full form, we write Pascal in small letters. CGS unit dyne per centimeter square. Dyne is the CGS unit of force and centimeter square is the CGS unit of area. And we have to use other units. In other units, ATM, atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric equal to 76 centimeter of mercury. In meter, 0.76 meter of mercury, 760 mm of mercury. Another unit, torr. Torr is also the unit, 760 torr. 1 atmospheric pressure equal to 1.013 into 10 to the power 5 Pascal. Pressure depends upon area and force, because in the formula you have to see force per unit area. Therefore, pressure depends upon area and force. 1 kilogram force equal to 9.8 Newton and 1 gram force equal to 980 dyne. Students, in my next video, we will discuss impact of pressure and different types of pressure. Pressure in air, pressure in water, you can say pressure in liquid, pressure on solid surfaces. Thank you all of you.